Do you feel that sometimes fashion is a four-letter word? That it's just one big confusing headache? My name is Janet Valenza, and I'm the president of women's clothing brand GoGo Gracious. We help dynamic women, like all of you, who appreciate fashion look great in less time. You can reach me on all social media at JanVNYC, and that includes LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, as well as Instagram. And if you haven't already done so, please join us. Visit us at facebook.com/JanVNYC and like the page. So I'm very excited to be with you here live as always. And I wish to engage. So ask me questions, reach out, IM me, tell me what you think. I'd like to help you. I genuinely wish to serve. So back to the question. Is fashion a four-letter word for you? Sometimes we're confused. There's a lot thrown at us by the fashion industry, thrown at women, with all the trends and changes and new seasons, etc., etc. I'm here to help you. I have a couple of tips for you. If you're busy and you really don't have time to shop and you're looking for functional, versatile outfits, I have some easy tips to help you get started. Number one, start with what is working. So start with what you like. Don't think about, all the things you have to get rid of or what should you cull or edit. Start with what's working for you. What are you wearing that you actually feel good in? So that's number one. Don't think about all the things you have to get rid of that aren't working. Start with what is working. That's easy. Number two, evaluate how it fits. Even if you love it more than anything you've ever owned before, if it doesn't fit properly, it's not going to work. So what does a good fit look like? A good fit looks like, this is black, but it fits in the shoulders. This is the shoulder seam, okay? And it fits in this area. Okay, you can see that right under the bust area, it fits, okay? And now you can see the shoulder seam better. Those few areas, the shoulder seam and right under the bust, can define for you whether that fit is working. So that's tip number two. Evaluate the fit. It's not that hard. Tip number three, wake up and revive your accessories. Many of you, I was working with a client recently who had this gorgeous collection of costume jewelry. Now you see I'm wearing a statement necklace, and I talk about that all the time because when we're on camera, when we're on Zoom, a statement necklace highlights the face and draws attention to the face. So that's, we discovered together some amazing statement necklaces that she hadn't looked at for years, and we put them together with outfits. That is a great way to dress simply, but interesting, because if you change up the statement necklace and the color of the top underneath, you have a whole new outfit. And just FYI, I am wearing our performance blazer, super stretchy, activewear fabric, can go anywhere to the airport and camera, super comfortable. If you're interested in more information about it, please ask me. So to wrap it up, if you sometimes feel like fashion is a four-letter word, I have 3 tips for you. I just gave you them. I'm going to summarize them for you now. Tip number 1, start with what's working. Start with what you like. Start with what you feel good in. Don't worry about all the stuff you're not using. Start with what's working. Number 2, evaluate the fit. Shoulder point, underneath the bust. 2 key areas to evaluate the fit. You will never look good if your clothes don't fit right, even if they're the most beautiful things you've ever seen. Number 3, rediscover your accessories. Take all those accessories out, all that jewelry you've collected over the years, and let's have a look at it. If you'd like more help, reach out. I'd like to talk to you. We have our Simply Smart Style consultation, which starts exactly where I'm describing right now and ends up with identifying 10 or 12 key items in your wardrobe that you can wear from comfy to camera and back to the office without really changing. And we also identify 5 outfits. So 10 items, 5 outfits. That's what we identify in the Simply Smart Style consultation. And the bonus is that we create a shopping list for you of anything that's missing with visual examples. So whether or not you buy them from us, you have a roadmap with visual examples to guide you. And by the way, we are the only clothing company, Go Gracious is the only clothing company that starts with you virtually right in front of your own closet to identify what's working, because I'm sure and I know from working with a lot of clients that things do work that are in your closet. So once again, my name is Janet Valenza. I'm the president of women's clothing brand Go Gracious. We help dynamic women like all of you who appreciate fashion, look great in less time. You can find me on all social media at JanVNYC. And if you haven't already done so, please join us. Visit us at facebook.com/JanVNYC and like the page. If you find the content of this video helpful, please do share it with your friends. I'm very generous with my time and I show my appreciation. So I'm live here and recorded. I'm live on Facebook and recorded on LinkedIn and Instagram and YouTube every Wednesday at 2 p.m. EST. So keep watching. See you next week. Bye-bye.